All right, welcome back to Cheddar, brought to you by HP. Hope King was with George Levin, CEO of Getintent, to discuss the rapidly changing advertising business yesterday at Propellify. Let's take a look.
Our core technology is our AI, so our prediction technology. And I personally have math background. My co-founder has math background. So we built some very interesting AI where we can predict people's behavior. We can predict what people want to buy, what they're interested in. That's why we called company Getintent, which means kind of intention. So to understand people's intention.
Sure. I mean, Google has always said that search is the best indicator of intention. So in your particular technology, in the AI itself, how does the AI work with the data to figure out a customer's intent?
That's actually a very, very good question, because I think people sometimes they don't understand how machine learning algorithm works. And the whole point is that we try to collect any data we can just get access to. And these algorithms, they understand which parameter affects the final result the most. So it's not about manual optimization. It's basically listening to different signals. And these algorithms, they understand which signal is the most important and which doesn't have any correlation with final result.
And in the ad tech space right now, how many companies would you say are using AI as a platform or as a core part of the way that their technology is working? AI is being used in a lot of different other ways, but specifically in ad tech, I don't hear many other companies saying that AI is what they're using.
So I would say maybe 50% of companies, they use some sort of AI, but the problem is some of them, they claim they use, but basically they just have manual algorithms, kind of if-or rules, which work in a very simple way. So no actual learning when your algorithm learns every day, what to do and how to do better.
And the importance of algorithms that are self-learning, that's the key to AI, that's the key to machine learning. So when do you think the other ad tech companies might catch up, and at that point, would you lose some of your competitive advantage?
I think that right now everyone is about AI, so I guess it's the hottest topic right now, and sooner or later all the tech companies will get their artificial intelligence. But the thing is, there are so many different things you can predict. You can basically calculate probability, and right now the hottest topic is viewability. Agencies, they all want to increase their view rate, and our algorithms, they are goal agnostic. It means that we can predict any action. It can be viewability, completion rate. So this is, I would say, some sort of like hardcore, algorithm. It's very hard to build because we don't care what to predict. It just learns automatically, how everything works, and just tune campaigns without any, help from people.
But a lot of times you don't want to give away the secret sauce to how your platform works, but you also need to prove to your customers and to advertisers that you are delivering the performance they're paying for. Right now we're seeing The Guardian in a lawsuit suing Rubicon, sort of a customer suing it's their partner there. So what does that say about what's happening in terms of accountability, in terms of transparency of these ad tech technologies?
I think that transparency is the biggest problem right now, and there are several reasons why this problem is huge, but still I think that it can be solved. I guess the first and the easiest step is to change pricing, especially for DSPs. Right now, most of DSPs, they work on old school commission-based pricing, which is by default not transparent. So let's imagine if we change to CPM-based pricing, like ad serving technology, or licensing fee pricing. That will help a lot. We are ready to do this, and we have clients who already use this pricing, but not everyone is ready right now.
Why aren't they ready?
It's very simple when you have just one line in your profit and loss statement just saying media. It's very hard to split it into actual media cost and technology cost. But I think it's crucial, and it's the first step. You have to separate what's media, what's technology. It's very, very bad, to mix it together.